Hello, Fixing Expert family. Today, we're exploring creative balcony flooring ideas that can transform your outdoor space into a stylish and comfortable retreat. Whether you have a small urban balcony or a spacious terrace, these ideas will help you make the most of your outdoor area. Let's dive in. Option 1. Interlocking deck tiles. These tiles are easy to install and come in a variety of materials like wood and stone. They can be placed directly over your existing balcony floor, providing a quick and stylish upgrade. Option 2. Outdoor rugs. A large, weather-resistant rug can instantly add color and comfort to your balcony. Look for rugs made from durable materials like polypropylene, which can withstand the elements. Option 3. Artificial grass. For a touch of greenery, consider installing artificial grass. It's low maintenance and provides a soft surface underfoot, creating a garden-like feel even in an urban setting. Option 4. Wooden planks. Installing wooden planks can give your balcony a rustic, natural look. Choose weather-resistant wood like teak or cedar to ensure durability. Option 5. Concrete pavers. These are durable and come in a variety of shapes and colors. They're perfect for creating a modern, sleek look. Plus, they're easy to clean and maintain. Option 6. Outdoor tiles. Available in materials like ceramic and stone, outdoor tiles can add a sophisticated touch to your balcony. They're also highly durable and resistant to weather conditions. And there you have it. 7 creative flooring ideas to elevate your balcony. Each option offers its own unique benefits and can help you create an inviting outdoor area for relaxation and entertainment. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more home improvement tips from Fixing Expert. Until next time.